Hey, got a growling tummy? Let's find out what's really going on in there. All right, folks, here's the scoop. That grumble in your belly, it's called borborygmi. Yeah, it's a fancy word for those rumbling sounds. So why does it happen? Well, your stomach and intestines are always moving. They're on a cleaning cycle, kind of like a Roomba for your guts. When your stomach's empty, it sends signals to your brain, and your brain's like, hey, time for a snack. The result? Your muscles start contracting, pushing air and fluids around, making that growling noise. It's basically your body's way of nudging you, saying, feed me, please. But get this, your stomach can growl even when you're not hungry. It's just louder when it's empty because there's less stuff to muffle the sound. So next time your stomach growls in a quiet room, don't worry. It's just your body's way of reminding you that science is always at work. Hungry for more science facts? Hit that like button and subscribe. Stay curious, folks.